The ocean covers over 70% of our planet. And yet, we've explored less than 5% of it. Beneath the waves are creatures so strange, you might think they're from another world. Welcome to Below the Surface, where we uncover nature's quietest secrets in 2 minutes or less. If you're into mysterious animals, deep sea facts, and short, mind-blowing documentaries, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And now, let's dive in. Okay, quick question. How many brains do you think an octopus has? 1, maybe 2? Try. 9. Yeah, you heard that right. The octopus is one of the weirdest and smartest creatures in the ocean. And once you understand how its brain works, you'll never see it the same again. Let me explain. An octopus has a central brain, just like us. But that's only part of the story. It also has 8 mini brains, 1 in each arm. These aren't just nerves. Each arm can actually think and act on its own. Imagine sending your hand to grab a snack, but your hand decides to do something else without asking you first. That's how octopus arms work. They explore, react, even taste, completely independently. And here's the wild part. Octopuses also have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, and 1 pumps it to the body. But when they swim fast, that main heart actually stops beating. Why? Because nature is chaotic, and somehow it works. So now you know. 9 brains, 3 hearts, 0 bones, and an intelligence that rivals our own. Want to hear about a sea creature that survives being frozen solid? That's in the next video. Subscribe and dive deeper with us here on Below the Surface.